wasting time. Here are the real reasons why your workouts aren't working. You're here, you're putting in the work, sweating it out, day after day. But are you really getting the most out of your time and effort? It's frustrating to see the weeks go by without the results you're hoping for. And often the culprit isn't lack of effort, it's incorrect form. Yeah, that's right. Your form could be the reason why you are not making any progress at all. Performing exercises the right way isn't just about looking like you know what you're doing. It's about engaging the right muscles, preventing injuries, and ultimately achieving your fitness goals faster. Are you arching your back during that deadlift, letting your knees cave in during squats, swinging your whole body for a bicep curl? These small mistakes can make a big difference. So how do you ensure you're exercising correctly? Start by slowing down. Focus on each movement. Consider filming yourself or asking a certified trainer for feedback. There are tons of resources online too. Reliable videos and articles